Hi, viewers, welcome to a new video. Today we are talking about the 10 best general liability insurance companies for small businesses 2022. We are committed to sharing unbiased reviews. Some of the links on our site are from our partners who compensate us. Read our editorial guidelines and advertising disclosure. The bottom line: most businesses will get the best general liability insurance from Hartford, thanks to its many years of industry experience and accessibility. Operating a business comes with all kinds of risks, including the risk of claims and lawsuits against your business. Fortunately, general liability insurance can help protect your small business from common claims like bodily injury and property damage, protecting your business and your budget from accidents. But general liability insurance isn't one size fits all. Hartford is our top pick for general liability insurance, but we've also got 9 other companies you might want to consider. Let's find the right liability insurance for your small business. Best general liability insurance companies for small business: The Hartford. Best overall general liability insurance for small businesses: Acuity. Best customer reviews: Thimble. Best for short-term insurance: Simply Business. Best online broker is State Farm. What does general liability insurance cover? As the name suggests, general liability insurance can protect your small business from all kinds of liability. That doesn't mean it stops people from suing your business, but your insurance policy can cover costs for investigating claims, defending against them, and paying damages or settlements for those claims. For example, a good general liability insurance policy can help pay for costs associated with the following kinds of suits. 1. Bodily injury. 2. Property damage. 3. Slander ball libel. 4. Wrongful eviction. 5. Copyright infringement. 6. Rental property damages. Keep in mind that general liability insurance helps protect your business from claims. So the list above applies to claims against your business, like a customer suing for bodily injury, or a competitor claiming you infringed their copyright. But your general liability insurance won't pay for you to file suits against others. Likewise, general liability insurance won't cover things like medical costs or wages if an employee gets injured. That requires workers' compensation insurance. And it won't help with costs for professional negligence or misrepresentation. In that case, you need professional liability insurance. Still, general liability insurance covers enough issues that most businesses can benefit from it. Whether you have a hair salon, a moving company, or even a boutique, your customer-facing business can get valuable protection from general liability insurance. The Hartford. Best overall general liability insurance for small businesses. The Hartford offers the best small general liability insurance for most small businesses. We found plenty to like about Hartford. For starters, Hartford provides tons of information about general liability insurance and other business insurance on its website. So before you even get a quote, you'll have a good idea of what your insurance policy will and won't cover, and what kinds of approaches you might want to supplement it with. And speaking of increasing, Hartford offers other excellent insurance options for personal and business coverage, meaning you can get comprehensive coverage from one company. Plus, Hartford makes it easy to get coverage. You can choose whether you want to work with an agent or go through the website. Either way, you can get coverage as soon as the next day. And once you've gotten a policy, you'll have multiple options for contacting customer support and submitting claims. Now, the Hartford offers insurance policies in most states, but not all. If you're in Alaska, Hawaii, or New Jersey, you'll need to find a different insurance company. And while the Hartford gets very positive reviews on its website, sites like Trustpilot and the Better Business Bureau have much more negative reviews. But clearly the Hartford is doing something right. It's been around more than 200 years now, which means you can feel confident that you can keep coverage for years to come. Put simply, its many benefits make the Hartford the best general liability insurance company for small business. Pros: multiple contact options for quotes, claims, and support. Detailed insurance explanations on the website. 200+ years of experience. Cons: no coverage in AK, high, or NJ. Mixed customer reviews. Acuity. Best customer reviews. Acuity. Best customer reviews. Acuity consistently gets excellent customer reviews across platforms. On Trustpilot, for example, Acuity Insurance earns a 4.5 out of 5 from more than 1,000 reviews. 1 And on its Better Business Bureau profile, Acuity makes a 4.54 out of 5.2. Given that we regularly see companies earn less than a 2 out of 5, Acuity gets impressive scores. The secret to Acuity's success: Speed, for starters. Customers say Acuity moves fast getting you insured or responding to claims. Plus, Acuity customers say it has excellent, helpful customer service. That service is limited to business hours, though, and Acuity has shorter support hours than other companies on this list. It also has a less informative website, so you probably can't answer most questions yourself. All the same, Acuity's excellent reviews could make it a great place to get general liability insurance for your small business. Pros: excellent customer reviews on multiple platforms. Phone and online quotes, claims, and support. Few customer complaints. Cons: not much information on the website. Limited support hours. Thimble: best for short-term coverage. Need short-term liability insurance for a special event? Then look at Thimble. Thimble specializes in short-term business insurance. You can get a months-long insurance policy, sure, but Thimble also lets you buy an insurance policy for a month, day, or even 1 hour. That way, you only need to pay for insurance when needed, and you can save when you don't. Photographers, DJs, and other event-focused businesses can potentially save a lot that way. And when you do need a policy, Thimble can get you covered in a matter of minutes. Easy, right? Just note that Thimble insurance policies get underwritten by a few different insurance companies, so that experience can vary a bit. And Thimble keeps things online only, so you can't get customer support or submit claims over the phone. But when you don't need continuous general liability coverage, Thimble makes getting occasional coverage easy and affordable. Pros: coverage for as little as 1 hour. High-speed coverage application. Positive customer reviews. Cons: various underwriting companies. No phone support or claims. Simply Business, best online broker. Want to compare potential policies and prices? We suggest doing so with Simply Business, our favorite online broker for business insurance. Like any insurance brokerage, Simply Business works with several insurance companies to bring you multiple insurance quotes. You then pick the section that sounds best to you and finalize things with your company of choice. But unlike traditional brokerages, Simply Business's online application lets you get coverage in just a few minutes. It also offers insurance options in all 50 states. Plus, Simply Business earns better customer reviews than other insurance brokers we've looked at. Keep remember that costs and procedures will react on the insurance provider you go with, so Simply Business may not always get you the cheapest or best policy. Simply Business also works with fewer insurance partners than some other brokers, but we like its partners more. So while Simply Business does have some of the downsides you'll find from any insurance broker, it also has some excellent pros that make it our favorite online broker for general liability insurance. Pros: quotes from multiple insurance companies. Good customer reviews. Insurance options in all 50 states. Cons: costs and coverage vary by provider. Fewer insurance partners than other marketplaces. State Farm, best for local agents. Unlike many modern insurance companies, State Farm uses an agent-based model. So you'll get a quote, apply for coverage, and otherwise manage your policy through your local agent. That means you can get personalized advice and tailored expertise as you create your insurance policy. And since State Farm offers both business and personal coverage, you can kill many birds with one stone. The potential downside: you might not like your local agent, and depending on where your business is, you may not have another choice in town. State Farm does have a lot of agents, though. Also, the agent-based model means that State Farm moves slower than other companies. You won't get an instant quote or immediate coverage because you have to wait to contact a State Farm agent. All the same, State Farm's local agents can offer your business a more tailored business insurance experience than other companies. Pros: agents in most states. Many types of business and personal insurance. 100 years in business. Cons: experience varies by an agent. No instant coverage options. Hono-riable omissions. We recommend getting general liability insurance from the 5 companies above. If none of them seem like the right fit, though, we have a few other business insurance companies you can consider. 1. Hiscox. 2. Next Insurance. 3. Berkshire Hathaway Guard. 4. Travelers. 5. CoverWallet. Hiscox. Hiscox offers general liability insurance, plus many other kinds of business insurance, including specialized policies like cybersecurity insurance. As a bonus, you can get a discount of up to 5% for bundling Hiscox insurance policies. Hiscox only has phone support, which can be a problem for busy business owners who don't have time for long phone calls. And while Hiscox does get pretty good reviews, it has fewer reviews than some of our top picks. But overall, Hiscox is a solid insurance pick, especially if you plan to buy more than one kind of business insurance. Next, Insurance. Following Insurance is an online company focusing on fast coverage for your small business. From general liability insurance to liquor liability insurance, Next Insurance can give your business all kinds of insurance protection. As an online-focused company, Next Insurance keeps quotes and customer support strictly web-based. You can call claims in, though. If a web-based insurance experience sounds acceptable, Next Insurance can offer quick, simple coverage. Berkshire Hathaway Guard. Berkshire Hathaway Guard is a very traditional insurance company, meaning you have to apply for coverage through an agent. Guard focuses on larger businesses than other companies on this list. Think country clubs, golf courses, wholesalers, and resort hotels. Because of that, Berkshire Hathaway Guard offers high aggregate limits of up to $6 million. That focus means that Guard may not work for smaller businesses. And the agent-based model means getting quotes and coverage will take longer than it would from online insurance companies. So while your hotel or wholesale business may like Berkshire Hathaway Guard, we don't widely recommend it. Travelers. As another traditional insurance company, Travelers offers general liability insurance and other kinds of business insurance through its many agents. On the one hand, that means you get Travelers more than 100 years of experience, plus personalized guidance for your business. On the other hand, you'll need patience as you wait for an agent to get back to you. And, of course, some agents are better than others. But if you don't mind the trade-off, Travelers certainly has a long, respectable history. CoverWallet. Like Simply Business, CoverWallet is an online insurance brokerage. In other words, it lets you get and compare quotes from multiple companies. But unlike other brokerages, CoverWallet lets you manage any insurance policies and other business finance accounts from one central wallet on its website. It sounds like a great idea and the perfect way to simplify your business finances, but CoverWallet doesn't get the best customer reviews. So it might be one of those ideas that sounds better in theory than in practice. Even so, CoverWallet's unique wallet makes it stand out from other business insurance brokerages out there. Other places to get general liability insurance. Plenty of companies offer general liability insurance. So if you still haven't found an insurer you like, you can take a look at providers like these instead. 1. Chubb. 2. CNA. 3. Net. 4. MBroker. 5. Liberty Mutual. 6. Nationwide. 7. Progressive Commercial. The takeaway. Hartford has the best general liability insurance policies for most business owners. Its long history, many insurance products, detailed website, and contact methods make it an excellent pick for businesses. If you want coverage from a well-reviewed insurance provider, stick with Acuity. A thimble can take care of your short-term liability insurance needs. For an online broker that helps you shop around, choose Simply Business. And if you want the personalized help of an agent, go with State Farm. Whichever provider you pick, we hope you enjoy the peace of mind from having an insured, protected business. General liability insurance protects your business from many things, but not workers' comp claims. Supplement your general liability policy with coverage from one of the best workers' compensation insurance companies. Methodology. We analyzed dozens of business insurance companies to find the best general liability insurance providers. We compared contact methods, support hours, customer reviews, complaint indexes, and more to get our scores and rankings. General liability insurance FAQ. What kind of business insurances exists? Lots of kinds of business insurances exist, from general liability insurance to cyber insurance. These are some of the most common kinds of business insurance. 1. General liability insurance. 2. Workers' compensation insurance. 3. Professional liability insurance. 4. Business owner's policy BOP. 5. Commercial auto insurance. 6. Umbrella insurance. What are the most common insurance needs that businesses have? What type of insurance does every business need to have? The most common insurance needs for businesses are general liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance. Depending on your field and needs, you may also want common coverage like professional liability insurance and commercial auto insurance. What is the average cost to insure a business? The average cost to insure a business varies quite widely, as it depends on everything from your insurance coverage needs to your business size to your location. That said, the average small business owner pays $50 or less for general liability insurance each month. Honestly, that's not bad for the protection and peace of mind you get in exchange.